Welcome to Maddie's World. Enter the world of networking, technology and gaming.
Sounds good. Now we will talk about ACL now, right? Hope the previous thing are good for you, right? So what is this ACL actually? What is this network ACL, right? This is coming inside the security tab, right? And we have already talked about security group कि security group कैसे काम करता है, right? Security group हमारा सबनेट लेवल पे काम करता है, EC2 इंस्टेंस लेवल पे काम करता है. मीन्स जब भी आप you can directly attach your security groups to your instances, right? We already know how we applied the rules, right? How we allow and deny, create the denial rules for a security groups, right? We have another security layers which is called, we can call it another network security layer, which is called the network ACLs, right? ACLs are basically access control list which are basically working on subnet label, right? They are, instead of working on your, when we're talking about EC2, I mean security groups, they are working on your EC2 label, but when we talk about ACL, they work on subnet label, right? So whenever you create your VPCs, by default your you will have one ACL with them, right? And your subnet will be attached to that, right? By default, if you see, we have one DevOps VPC last time we created, right? And if we go to now NACL, now we can see two VPC, I mean two NACL are there. One is default, where we have this much of subnet, and the another is, you can say, that we created. If you see, this is attached to your VPC, right? So if you scroll it up and see what everything is there, what all rules are applied here, you can see this is the network ACL. So right, so you can see a couple of details here, right, which says what is your network ACL ID and how many subnets are associated with this and who is the owner of this, right? And here you can see the default VPCs and which VPC is allocated with this, right? The second section you can see inbound rule and outbound rule. As I said, this is the additional security rules or layer on top of your EC2's instances, apart from your security group. If you go to your inbound and outbound rule, right, by default you will see star everything is denied, and if you see the another rule which says rule 100 and all traffic is allowed, right? And if you go to the outbound rules, again you will see the same kind of thing, star everything is denied first and then allowed, right? If you see subnet section, you can see by default those subnets are allowed. If you add more subnet, you can allow, add to these ACLs itself, right? So we're going to talk first about the inbound rules here, right? So by default you see, when we try to edit this rule, right, whenever we go here in the edit rule section, we do it, by default we see everything is allowed here, right? There is only one rule allocated and everything is allowed, right? So कभी कभी आपके सामने ऐसे सिचुएशन आ सकती है कि वेर यू से गाइस कि मैं सिर्फ इस रेंज से अलाउड हूं, राइट? बाय डिफॉल्ट देखोगे अभी तो यहाँ पे क्या सारी की सारी रेंज अलाउड है, कोई भी बाहर से आ सकता है, राइट? एनीवन कैन इन माय नेटवर्क. देन सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप पे जब रूल जाएगा इट विल ट्राई टू फिल्टर कि ओके ये अलाउड है, ये अलाउड नहीं है. But you can put one additional security layer here and tell this key only this subnet should be allowed. Let's say I come here and say my office gateway should be only whitelisted. It's gonna take some time. Okay, so here is my review. Oh, shit. Hello. Anyway, I recorded things. Right. Sorry for this, guys. So right. So what I was talking about is, by default we see, right, when we see here, I'll go back and show you again, right? By default, we see here two rules in the NACL, right? Whatever you by default has been created, one is inbound and another is outbound rule. When we talk about inbound rule, right, so by default it says rule number is 100 and all the sources are allowed. So by default what will happen, everything is allowed to come in across the world, right? So let's say you are coming to my instance, but when it reaches to the security layer, right, to my security group, then it will either allow or deny this rule. Sorry about this. So by default what will happen is everything is allowed, but when it reaches to my security group layer, right, so it will either allow or deny on the basis of rule that I have, right? But what if you want to add one additional rules here, right? You say first filter out my rules here, right? Let's say for example I would call it no thanks, right? So I have seen here what is my IP. So first I want to say, right, filter this one here only, right? Allow everything or whatever you want to allow from this IP only, right? Again we will have one filtration layer on security group level. So this is, you can say, the NACL provides you one additional layer of security here, right? Hope this makes sense to you guys.
Yes, sir.
Right, let's say if you guys have worked on a firewall label, right, anytime if you have worked on any of the firewall label, then what we used to do here is the NACL means you can also like deny all the rules and then you can start allowing couple of rules, right? Let's say what my rule here was this, right? So what I do here is, let's say I deny this rule here. Now I have one instance here, and let's see if that is allowed. I'm able to access that. So let's go to EC2 instance. Let me go to my EC2, and here I copy my public IP. So let me get my putty. Okay, here I go. It was DevOps group. So now at this moment you see I am not able to access this instance because I have denied everything. So my current rule says whatever the traffic associated with these two subnets will not be able to enter. So at the first level only my traffic is dropped, right? Now I have another option, so I can add some rules. So remember the 100 will take the highest precedence, right? There's a game of rule right here, so you'll have to like be more cautious about it. Let's say I add one rule here. Let's say I'm going to say it 99 at this moment, right? And it can be like 105, 1010, 1015, 10, 20, whatever you wants to keep, but make sure you try to keep one gap between those, right? I'm saying some custom TCP IP rule, I will say I will allow 22 rule, right? At this moment I will say I will allow it from everywhere, let's say for example, right? And I save this, right? And I go ahead and see if I am able to access this. It should be. You see this? I am able to access this instance. Wow. So this is how my rule worked, right? First I denied everything, then I am trying to whitelist one by one everything. So instead of saying that from everywhere, what I would have said, right? I would have said what is my IP address and or whatever my office gateway is, right? I would have whitelisted those here. So also एक बात यहाँ पे ध्यान रखने की guys, now whatever this rule says, everything is denied, right? So the highest precedence will be taken here. So the 99 says highest precedence, right? That's what I am able to access this instance. So instead of this I would have said allow it from here only, from my gateway itself, right? So if I validate this now, Let's open one duplicate instance. I am able to do it, right? Now I say, any of you guys try to access it, you will not be. Just have a look. Just tell me if you are. You will not be. Anybody tried? Yes, no?
नहीं हो रहा.
It will not be, right? But again, if I allow my NaCl, let's say I'm gonna say I go again here to my NaCl and I say let's allow for everyone, guys, 0.0.0.0/0. I'll save it. So try it now, you'll be able to.
Login prompt.
Right, so this is how the NaCl works, right? So you have a two option. This is an additional security layer on top of your, you can say, security groups. So here you can either deny all of your traffic, right, and specify what should be, what should enter in your network, right? Then again you filter the same rules in the security group and then allow it to your instances. मैं ये भी कर सकता था, यहाँ पे अपना, लेट्स से मैंने सिर्फ अपना सबनेट एलोकेट कर दिया, राइट? अगेन आपको पता है कि मेरे सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप्स कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, राइट? यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्पेसिफाइड दोज थिंग इन योर सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप. तो व्हाट विल हैपन इज, so these rules will be evaluated first, then it will land to your security group. Those rules will be evaluated, then you will be able to log into your instances, or whatever service you need, you will be able to get it, right? So this is how NaCl works. So in the same way you can add more rules here, right? And make sure the precedence, right, the highest number will take the precedence. So if I create one rule here 100 which says 80 is denied, and I create one rule 98 which is lower than 100, and I created allow, that will be allowed. So the precedence matter here, so you'll have to take care of those things also.